Welcome dear friends. Today we are going to learn about filter aids. So the objective of filter aid is to prevent the medium from becoming blocked and to form an open porous cake. Hence this will reduce the resistance to flow of the filtrate and the process of filtration will be carried out smoothly. Filter aids, they form a surface deposit which screens out the solids and they also prevent the plugging of supporting filter medium. Now let us see the characteristics of filter aids. These are chemically inert and they are free from impurities. They have low specific gravity, so they will remain suspended in the liquids. They are porous rather than dense, so that a pervious cake can be formed. They are recoverable. The disadvantage of filter aid is it removes the colored substances by absorbing them. Sometimes active principles such as alkaloids are absorbed on the filter aid. Rarely filters are source of contamination such as soluble iron salts which can provoke degradation of sensitive ingredient. Now let us see the handling of filter aids. Filter aid may be used in either or both of the following two ways. The first way is pre-coating technique. In pre-coating technique, a pre-coat is formed over a filter medium by purely filtering the suspension of filter aid. So what is done that first we prepare a suspension of the only filter aid in this liquid. Then we pass that suspension over the filter media. So because of this, what happens? The filter aid, it forms a coat on that filter media, and after that, the same filter media is used for carrying out our actual process of filtration, which is of our interest. Okay, so here that pre-coated filter or that pre-coat of the filter aid, it acts as um, filtering the media itself, as well as it avoids blocking of the pores of the filter media. Okay, so here we can say the filter aid, the cake of the filter aid itself act as filter media, because the pores which are formed inside the filter aid, that helps in the process of filtration. The second technique is body mix technique. A small proportion of the filter aid, approximately from zero point 0.1 to 0.5% of the filter aid, is added to the slurry which is to be filtered. Now this slurry is recirculated through the filter until a clear filtrate is obtained. So filtration proceeds to completion. The different flow rates it can be achieved depending on the grade of the aid. Low flow rate is obtained in case of fine grade filter aids, mainly which is used for clarity purpose. And fast flow rate is observed in case of coarse grade filter aids, and it is acceptable, and it gives us acceptable filtrate. The examples of filter aids are diatomite, which is also known as Kesselgur. It is widely used in pharmaceutical industries. Then this Kesselgur is obtained from natural siliceous deposits. Next is perlite. It is an aluminium silicate. Then we can also use cellulose, asbestos, charcoal, talc, bentonite, fuller's earth, etc. So this was all about filter aids. Thank you for watching.